Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another great recipe which is anda keema or egg keema, and this is also very typical Newari recipe and the taste is really yummy. So let's make the egg keema. To prepare egg keema, here I have half pound keema and I'm gonna add one medium size finely grated onion and 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, salt as per the taste, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder and half teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon mix of cumin and coriander powder, and next add 1 teaspoon of oil or butter. Then give it good mix. I'm gonna add this finely chopped cilantro and mix it again. Then my keema is ready now. So next step, what I'm gonna do is, I have this small size plate. I have taken this teacup plate. Keep some keema here and then I'm gonna spread it evenly. Make it like one circle. Next, I'm gonna add egg on top of this. So now I'm gonna steam this. So for that, my steamer is ready. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep this inside the steamer. Then cover this and cook this for 20 to 25 minutes. By following the same process, I'm gonna make another one. After 25 minutes, our egg keema looks perfect. And I'm gonna transfer this in a bowl. And on the top of this egg, I'm gonna add some black pepper powder and some cilantro. And I'm gonna add some tomato achar. You can add momo achar or just simply tomato achar, anything. So if you want the recipe for tomato achar, I have shared the recipe in a description box. This is very delicious. Thank you Sour Dejo for this yummy delicious recipes. I hope you guys like the recipe. If you like the recipe, please give me your feedback and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.